It is September 23rd, 2020, and we are here at Walt Disney World. Spent the afternoon over at Epcot. Epcot was open today 11 to 7, so we went ahead and used our park reservation. Now to check into Copper Creek. I'll be going to Magic Kingdom tomorrow, and that video will be uploaded next week. So stay tuned, subscribe, and thank you for watching the videos. Copper Creek here at Wilderness Lodge is easily one of my top 2 favorite resorts, if not the top. But checking in for the week, we're here at Copper Creek, Wilderness Lodge, Walt Disney World. Okay, we are in room 2111. We're just off of the lobby here at Copper Creek. And give you a quick little tour of the room. We're back in a deluxe studio. Has the bed, pull-out sofa, of course. Little dinette area. Little kitchenette area. Bathroom. This one has the walk-in shower. And let's go take a look, see what kind of view we have. That is the main building, the lobby area there. Whispering Canyon restaurants inside there. Got the little creek that runs out of the lobby down through the water to the lake, down through the pool. And Roaring Forks is on the other side of that boulder there, down a little bit. But